Here in Lagos, the Governorship Election Petitions Tribunal has unanimously affirmed the victory of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu in the 18th of March election. The court dismissed the petitions of Gbadebo rhodes-Vivour of the Labour Party and the People's Democratic Party candidate Olajide Adediran for lacking in merit. TVC News legal reporter Kemi Folademo has details.
Olajide Adediran had relied on Section 134(1)(a) of the Electoral Act of 2022, which deals with grounds of instituting an election petition, alleging various discrepancies which he said marked the victory of Governor Sanwo-Olu and his deputy at the polls. But Justice Michael Abdullahi, who read the lead judgment, said the petition was dead on arrival and deserving a befitting burial, as the petitioner fails to discharge the burden of proof imposed on him under the Electoral Act. The judge said Mr. Adediran's position didn't form part of the grounds for disqualification for election into the office of governor under sections 177 and 182 of the Constitution. The tribunal also declared that he has no powers to inquire into the primary election of the APC, which produced Mr. Sanwo-Olu as flag bearer, saying it is a pre-election matter. The tribunal addressed the issue of the governor allegedly forging his WAEC certificate and held that the petitioner should have invited the principal of the school, Gbadebo Community Grammar School, to testify. In the petition of the Labour Party's candidates, chairman of the tribunal, Justice Aromashom, observed that Gbadebo rhodes-Vivour abandoned all other grounds of his petition and focused on the oath of allegiance taken by the deputy governor in the United States, alleging that he had renounced his Nigerian citizenship, which disqualified him and, by extension, the governor. The tribunal said that since Mr. Hamzat was a Nigerian citizen by birth, his American nationalization doesn't extinguish his rights to run for office in line with Section 66(1) and 28 of the Constitution. The petitioners were absent for their judgments. Mr. Hamzat sat through the almost 10-hour-long proceedings.
Irrespective of how the ruling goes, I think it was very lucid, it was very well explained, and I think even non-lawyers can explain it clearly. So for me, I'm a very proud Nigerian.
As a natal Nigerian who was born in Nigeria, had no disability at all in contesting for any office in Nigeria, in spite of the fact that he may have naturalized as a citizen of another country. You know, your rights as a Nigerian-born citizen cannot be taken away just by naturalization to another country.
We cannot ask for more, and we encourage every member of the Labour Party, all obedience, to stay calm and respect the rule of law, as we encourage members of the press as well.